Hey, how's it going? This is me and Dime. We wanted to share with you our BarkBox. A great website. Highly recommend trying it. This is our second video, but I just want you guys to see what's inside. Dime's very excited. This is Dime, by the way. Hi, babes. Hi, babes. Alrighty. Let's see what the theme is this month. Oh, look at the cute wrapping. Alright. So it seems like this month is Outside Wilderness Month because we have a roller blade. You like your roller blade? Here. It's a nice toy. It's for you. But you also got a fanny pack. Oh, you're gonna be the most stylish one on the beach. Yeah. You like that thing? Oh yeah. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, you got a 6-inch chew. Banana and coconut. I mean, about banana and coconut for a dog. We will see. You don't like it, huh? Here. No? Alright. Banana coconut is a fail. Die. Come back here. So got another thing of treats. We got joysticks. Now, these are pork flavored. I think we'll have a better time with those. Alrighty. You don't like any of the treats, huh? Well, that's the second month in a row that has happened to us, that she doesn't like the treats. So, I don't think this is going to work out for us. But, I don't know. It's a pretty cute little idea. Here's the paper that they sent. It has a bunch of stickers on it this time. But this just might not be a thing for us. Thanks for watching.